Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix smart screen on draining battery in your INFINIX Hot 60i. So actually, now first what I do recommend doing is to open the settings. Here open display and brightness, and now scroll down. Here it is, keep screen on. Disable it and enable it back again. Just disable it or enable it a couple of times, and apart from that, when it's enabled, often clean the camera here, the camera sensor right there, because it may just not disable the screen and leave it as it is because there is dirt. Apart from that, you can try to restart your device, turn it off and on, update it, or as a last resort, do a factory reset. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.